and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce you to our brand new Create and Make. This is Showering You with Love. We love a Create and Make launch here at Tonic HQ. That's a dinky little die set. It's a lovely little price for you as well, but it makes the most stunning little projects, and this one is no exception. Let's have a little look at the die set first of all. So here is what we're working with this month. This is your die set. Like I say, it's a dinky little die set. It's about 6 by 6 inches thereabouts, and look at all the dies that you get in here. It is absolutely packed this month. You do have, of course, full instructions inside your die wallet as well. So you can see on here we've got the main shape for your umbrella, and we've got the side panels here. You've got your handle end, and then the actual handle itself. You've got these little pieces that give you that kind of like the rim almost of your umbrella. And we've got some lovely little flowers in here, a very cute little bow. There are some leaves in here too, even more flowers down here as well. And we've got a couple of sentiments we have on your baby shower, of course, and a with love as well. And then this one says showering you with love, this lovely tag here. Even raindrops. Can't have umbrellas without rain, obviously. Very, very sweet die set. As with all Create Makes, there might be a little bit more cutting involved to get all of the pieces because we do have a smaller die set area to work with, but I think the end result makes it absolutely worth it. So let me show you the designs that we had on the packaging first of all, so you can see those. Here is the first one. So you've got this lovely little umbrella, and then inside that lid is absolutely covered with flowers. And then if we lift from the handle, I've wedged this in again, you can see we've got that lovely little space in there for your gift as well. There's plenty of room for some tasty treats, or maybe a little bit of jewellery, possibly even like a nice little bath melt or something could go in there too. Lots of options in there, but it's a very, very sweet little gift box, I think, or even just a decorative little piece too. Now, I don't know if I can actually get the lid off mine anymore. It's such a long time since I made this. I'll give it a go. So here's another version, absolutely covered in flowers. I even made a little string of raindrops coming off one side. These are all covered in crystal glaze to make them look watery as well. Yeah, it does still come off. There you go. So there is the inside as well. You can see that gift box in there. And then you can tell when a design team have been inspired by a project, because the amount of makes that we get in and the different like array of styles and designs just absolutely tickle me. So I'm going to start with this one. This is from, I don't know, I have no name. If this is yours, please claim it below. It is absolutely stunning though. Look at this little umbrella. I love the fact that we've got pattern paper alternating with the pattern die. Very, very sweet. And then over the surface of that lid, look at all of those flowers. I'm loving the mirror that's just twinkling in the light there. And then you've got, as always, your lovely little umbrella box in there for all of your goodies. It's a very, very sweet one. I love the colours in that too. I've got one here. I believe this one is from Ruth. I know Ruth had put a couple of tags in them. We took them off of photography and now I can't remember whose it is. I'm so sorry, everyone. As always, claim them below. If these are yours, let us know. But I love this one. The little ring of flowers around the top. We've got those beautiful ombre glitter cards in here. So again, we've got a straight panel, or a full panel, sorry, and then a pattern panel on the side. Lovely little gold detail on the handle too, and then that cute little tag with the bow just hanging on there. Very, very sweet. Love that one, thank you very much. Okay, I've got another one here. This one is from Shabney's, and it looks to me like Shabney's has been using our Spring Has Sprung pattern papers on this one. Perfect pairing, I would like to say, of the little Create and Make Showering You With Love, and then our Spring Has Sprung collection. Beautiful flowers in the top. I'm loving this little strip of the pattern papers just around the top of the umbrella here and on the handle too. I think that's very, very sweet. Lovely little project. Thank you very much for that one, Shabnese. I've got another one here. Do I have a name? This one's from Philomena. And Philomena, it looks to me, I'm going to say this is, do we think shimmer powder or sparkle spray? Could be either.
Shimmer?
I think probably shimmer powder. There's not enough sparkle for it to be sparkle spray, I'm going to say. But I love the kind of, almost like a vintage effect that this has given on this little umbrella, but still in kind of shades of gold and cream. All the beautiful little cream flowers in there with their gold centres and the gold leaves as well. And then that little touch of gold again on the handle. And where is it? There it is, that little die just decorating the handle too. Very, very cute. I do apologise for all of the loud bangs coming from the warehouse. And then we've got the lovely gold pattern on the side too. I've got a very appropriate one here. This one is from Shabnese. Blues and silvers, perfect rain colours for this one. And then look at all those lovely little daisies just in the top. Very, very sweet. And I'm loving the kind of blue over silver on the side here, and then just that little silver panel just going around the rim. Very, very nice. Thank you so much for that one, Shabnese. Okay, this one really caught my eye. This is also from Philomena. So it looks like she has made the outside of the umbrella this time just in our Peer View 240 GSM. So a nice plain umbrella, very, you know, unassuming when it's closed up. But then check out the inside. It's got a beautiful bright pink mirror card. What is this? Pink chiffon is the Magnificent Magenta?
Yeah.
Is that the mirror? I love this. You could just imagine an umbrella that has like a really bright, shiny pink lining. I think that would look fabulous. And then all of these flowers have been made using shimmer powdered cardstock. So lots of different colours of shimmer powder has been put down and then die cut and layered up together. Even the leaves are covered in shimmer powder too. Absolutely stunning. I really, really love that one. And there's even, if I spin this around, can we see little raindrops? In fact, look, what if... Oh, it's got magnets under the lid too. There we go. Now the raindrops are on the front. Makes more sense that way. I've got this one here. I am in love with this one. No name again. Please claim this if it's yours. So a beautiful bright yellow umbrella. We've got the little flowers dotted around the outside as well. Lovely little yellow and wood handle, and then look at the flowers in the centre. They've got buttons in them and just extra buttons added around them too, and I think that is just the most adorable little decoration in there. I absolutely love it. A very, very sweet sample. Again, if it is yours, please claim it below so I can say thank you, because I very much like that one. And then the last one that I have, again, I'm pretty sure this one is from Ruth. Let me just... I don't have a name underneath, so I'm going to presume this is the other one that had the tag on it. So we've got, again, a lovely, very simple little umbrella on the outside, just cream with that lovely red pattern. There's the odd little raindrop just splashing on the outside of the umbrella. But then look at the inside, it's like a little duck pond. So we've got that beautiful iridescent mirror card for the lid. And then our lovely crafter has made little lily pads and little flowers, and then added in these little ducks. Now these are not in the die set, of course. They are from another die set. I'm pretty sure our Baby Blocks had a little mini duck in, if I remember rightly. Cam's shaking his head, he doesn't know. But yeah, I'm sure you must have a little duck or something in your stash that you could add in if needs be. But I think that's just such the cutest idea. Absolutely adorable. I really, really love that. So thank you so much for that sample as well. Hopefully all of those samples have started to give you some inspiration and like little thoughts popping into your brain of things that you could do with this die set. It is available now from our website, so do go and grab one for yourself. If you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, don't forget that means you can use your TCK discount and you'll get your 10% discount off this. You can also pay in installments on our website using ShopPay or PayPal or Klarna. At least one of those will be available for you at checkout, so pick one, whichever one works best for you. If you do grab this die set and you make some beautiful little projects with it, don't forget to Tag us in your makes. We would love to see what you are making.
Comes with a magnetic sheet.
Comes with a magnetic sheet. Thanks, Cam. He had to put his hand up so I would stop. It does. So yes, because this is a Create and Make coming from us, it will come with your magnet and your wallet so that it can go straight into your storage folder as well. Thank you for the reminder. I'm so sorry it took me so long to realise that you needed me to say that. Where did I get to? Tag us in your makes. We'd love to see what you're making. You can share your projects over on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media. We are basically at Tonic Studios everywhere, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Don't forget to give this video a like. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!